Remember, the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plot. There is no reason why this sort of treason should ever be forgot. Oh, hello, it is me, Ferris. I'm just here enjoying all the sparkly lights. Ooh, sparkly lights. And I hope that you enjoy them too. But please remember on this bonfire night that not everyone enjoys the sparkles. There are some animals that get a bit edgy and nervous around the big bangs and only lights. It's because it reminds them of the 1970s discos. Oh, nobody wants to be reminded of that. Anyway, please remember to stay safe. You can do this by making sure that you put enough space between you and the fireworks, and you always let the adults deal with the fireworks, so that you are less likely to get hurt, because nobody wants that. Anyway, enjoy it and stay safe. Now to enjoy the flashy sparkly lights. Ooh, sparkly lights.